Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your channel meets 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and you have no active strikes. Once done, open AdSense and check that the contact email exactly matches your YouTube-linked Google account. Mismatches trigger automatic disapproval. Next, remove or unlist content that violates policies, then save changes and wait for channel review to update. This saves time because many rejections stem from simple mismatches or strike. Now you perform a focused content audit. Review the latest 20 uploads for reused content, repetitive footage, or music copyright claims. Addressing these fixes is the crucial middle step. If you find reused material, add original voiceover, commentary, or replace clips with licensed assets. For copyright claims, clear or dispute only when you have a valid rationale. Otherwise, remove the infringing segment. Once you make edits, reprocess indexation by updating metadata and forcing a new review request in YouTube Studio. To finish, submit a re-review in AdSense and YouTube Studio, then wait 1 to 3 weeks for decision. If disapproved again, read the explicit reason and apply that targeted fix rather than broad changes. Then reapply only after you confirm the issue is resolved. If things still fail, create one clean, original sample video. No claims, clear metadata, original audio, and attempt monetization on that single test upload to isolate problems. This troubleshooting step pinpoints policy or content issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.